everyone, welcome to DP Addiction Adventures with Jennifer Roberts, and I'm so excited that my special guest is back, my lovely daughter, and she is a soccer guru, and she wanted to show you this unboxing herself, so take it away.
So this diamond painting is from Sparkle Art. It's from Diamond Art, and it's one of their Sparkle Arts. It comes with one high quality color, printed fabric, pre-sorted by color. Comes with a craft tray, wax, and comfortable grip and instructions. So, and this is what it looks like on the top after it's done, and then the bottom one is what you're putting your diamonds on. So let's open this up and see what it looks like.
There's scissors over there if you need them. It's okay to rip it.
There we go. So it looks like pretty gray colors. So they've got instructions if it's your first time diamond painting, so that it's a pretty small canvas. But yeah.
How many colors does it have?
It has 9 colors, and they have pretty clear symbols. And so it will make it easy for you. If you have bad lighting, you can see it better. And I think they did a pretty good job with it. Let's see if...
What do you think of the canvas? Is it sturdy?
Yeah.
Think it's high quality?
Yeah, for how...
They're sticky on the ball? Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. So, let's see right now if all the colors are here.
So this is an 8" by 8".
And it's a partial, it's not a full. Let's get these handy dandy scissors out. Let's just cut the top right off. Let's slip here. If I can grab the bag. So, we have a gray tray for your diamonds. We have some baggies to put the diamonds in. And then we have this sparkly placer.
Yep.
And then you can put this grip on if you want. And then a pretty decent thing of wax for how small it is. Okay, so let's get to the actual diamonds. So, they should have 9 colors. And it looks like there are 9 colors.
What's that DD on the packaging stand for?
It stands for
Diamond Dotz?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they have their logo on the packaging.
And these are all the colors. Goes from there's about 3 shades of black, 1 shade of white, and then a couple shades of gray. So it's not like it's all white or it's more of actually a gray.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Is this something you think you would enjoy doing?
Yeah, I think I'd enjoy doing it.
What, are they round or square?
This is a round canvas, so, yeah.
Round drills, yeah.
So, yeah.
So would you recommend it for kids your age if they wanted to start diamond painting?
Yeah, this would definitely be a good starter if you wanted to start diamond painting, because it comes with your instructions.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see how it works and see if you like it.
And what diamond painting are you currently working on?
Right now I'm working on a Snoopy diamond painting.
So will you come back and show us some of your Snoopy diamond painting next time?
Yeah.
All right. Well, there you have it, everyone. It's diamond art from Diamond Dotz. And I can't wait to see us start on this and see how it goes. Be ready for a post review in the future. Until next time, be blessed and have a great day.